Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of science. Before we dive into the mysteries of our existence, we want to take a moment to acknowledge our sponsor. This video is brought to you by Brain, the Brain Training Center. They believe, as we do, that knowledge is power and understanding ourselves is a key part of that power. So let's start unlocking the secrets of what makes us unique. Prepare to delve into the fascinating world of DNA, the blueprint of life. Have you ever wondered what makes you unique? What gives you your specific traits, your characteristics, your very essence? The answer lies in a molecule called DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA, a term you've likely heard in a biology class or a crime show, is not just a mere scientific jargon. It's a blueprint, a set of instructions for the development, function, growth, and reproduction of all living organisms. It's a vital component of biological inheritance, passed down from parents to their offspring. Picture a ladder, but not just any ladder. This one is twisted into a double helix, a shape that looks like a spiraling staircase. That's the structure of DNA. This double helix is made up of two chains of polynucleotides, where the rungs of our imaginary ladder are made up of nucleotides. Each of these nucleotides is composed of a phosphate group, deoxyribose, a type of sugar, and one of four organic bases: adenine, A, cytosine, C, guanine, G, or thymine, T. The genetic information of an organism is encoded in the sequence of these bases in the DNA molecule. Reading and using this information involves processes known as transcription and translation. In transcription, the information from a segment of DNA is transcribed onto messenger RNA, mRNA, which is then used in protein synthesis during the translation process. The ability of DNA molecules to replicate, to make copies of themselves, underpins cell division and the transmission of genetic information. DNA mutations and reorganization can affect an organism's traits and are fundamental to the process of evolution. In essence, DNA is at the heart of life. It's the molecular mastermind behind your eye color, your height, your predisposition to certain diseases. It's the biological inheritance from your parents, the blueprint of who you are. Let's delve deeper into that notion of individuality. Each one of us carries a unique DNA sequence that makes us distinctively different from any other human being on this planet. From our physical characteristics to our personality traits and even our talents and aptitudes, our DNA plays a vital role. It's a fascinating concept that such a tiny molecule holds the key to our identity. So, when you think about it, our DNA is not just a biological aspect, it's a storybook, an encrypted diary of our ancestors, our personal history, and our future. And each time we pass on our genes, we're essentially passing on a chapter of that unique storybook to the next generation. Our DNA, thus, becomes a living timeline, a testament to our existence and individuality. So next time you look in the mirror, remember you're looking at the result of billions of years of DNA evolution, a unique combination of A, C, G, and T sequences that make you you. And isn't that a fascinating thought?